the JBL Flip 3 to the iPhone 6 Plus. All right, so this should work the same for iPhone 6 as well. All right, so let's get started. So if it's the first time you're pairing this JBL Flip 3 to your iPhone 6, you want to go to where it says settings over here. So just find the settings gear icon on your phone, go to that, and under your settings you'll see where it says Bluetooth. Okay, so go to that and then power it on from there. And of course, well, it's supposed to power on anyways, yeah. So once you power it on, it's going to search for a very long time. You can see where it says devices and it's searching. Now in the meantime, go ahead and rest your phone because you can't do anything until you do this part here. All right, so on your JBL Flip 3, you're going to see a collection of buttons, right? So what you're going to do is first power it on over here. This is your power on button. So go ahead and hold that down for about a second until you hear the tone sound play. Now, once you get to this part, that means it's now powered on. So the next step is you're going to select this button here that has the Bluetooth icon over here. So hold that down for about a second and then let it go. You'll hear like another tone sound play. So do that. Alright, so when you get to that part, alright, that means it's ready to pair, okay? Now, in the meantime, just go back to your phone and then you'll see where it says JBL Flip 3. So go ahead and select on that. I mean, by then it should have showed up on your phone. Alright, and you hear the tone sound when it's connected, and it'll also tell you on your phone that it's connected. And that's basically it. So hopefully this guide was helpful. So like, share, subscribe.